Our solar system is filled with planets, asteroids, comets, dwarf planets, and trillions of other small objects, all orbiting a mid-sized star that we call the Sun. The solar system has 8 planets, including Earth, a main asteroid belt, and regions farther out beyond the planets where countless small objects orbit. While astronomers have studied much of what makes up our solar system, a lot of space nearby remains unexplored, including many more objects surely to be found in our neighborhood. Part of the reason for this mystery is that our solar system is really, really big, at least in human terms. For example, the Earth is 150 million kilometers, 93 million miles, away from the Sun, a distance astronomers call an astronomical unit, AU, which would take an airliner flying at a typical speed around 20 years to cover. Neptune, the farthest planet, is around 5 billion km, 3 billion miles, from the Sun. The solar system is so large that when thinking about how big the solar system is, we need to shrink the Sun and planets down far tinier than they really are to comprehend it. And even then, it's still hard to wrap your mind around. From the edge of the solar system, Earth would just be a pale blue dot. What is in our solar system? The solar system has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto, formerly known as the 9th planet, was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Our solar system also has a large asteroid belt that's filled with millions of asteroids ranging in size from a pebble to hundreds of kilometers across. How big is the asteroid belt? It spans about 225 million kilometers, 140 million miles, and is located between Mars and Jupiter. Beyond Neptune is the Kuiper Belt, which extends from 30 to 55 AU, 8.2 billion kilometers, or 5.1 billion miles. The Kuiper Belt is filled with small, rocky, and icy objects, and it's where many short-period comets likely come from. Pluto can be found in the Kuiper Belt, along with 3 other dwarf planets, and potentially many more. Astronomers are actively searching the Kuiper Belt for new objects. Outside of the Kuiper Belt is a vast region called the Oort cloud, where trillions of small, icy objects orbit, loosely held by the Sun's gravity. Whereas the Kuiper Belt orbits in the same plane as the planets, the Oort cloud is more like a shell encompassing our solar system. Minor planets, dwarf planets, comets, and other objects also inhabit the Oort cloud, though astronomers don't know all that much about what lives so far from the Sun. With a unistellar telescope, you can see all 7 other planets, and even many comets and asteroids in our solar system. Observe Saturn's rings, Jupiter's great storms, and spy on distant Uranus and Neptune, all from your backyard. Smaller objects like asteroids become visible when they occult or pass in front of distant stars. Unistellar hosts multiple observing campaigns every year targeting asteroids and other distant objects to help scientists keep an eye on nearby ones and learn more about distant ones.